Time to sleep. And just for you, an hour of interpretive dance.
Oh God, you're putting us to sleep.
That's the point.
We want something good to fall asleep to.
Not because of.
Well, what do you want?
What do you want to hear then?
Something dark.
Something gory!
Something to put you to sleep?
No, fine.
Could it be set in the Wild West?
No.
In a mine?
No.
1886 London?
High school reunion.
An institution? Be upstairs! Be upstairs!
A bakery.
Oh, say
Good God.
Hello, Titanic treats, baking the world a better place.
Why can't I see you?
Mum, it's a phone call.
Oh, hi Jim Sweetie. I need to talk to you.
Yes, of course.
You know I love you, but this baking business.
Oh, crumb off it, Mum.
I know, it's your domain, but
I've got one last idea. One recipe to rule them all.
that's unexpected.
Let me take you on a journey. A new gingerbread. 2 heads, 4 arms, 4 legs! Blending sweet and savoury in a way never seen before.
Return of the Day King!
Yeah. Oh, gotta go, Mum. First batch is coming out of the oven now! Oh, I shouldn't. Oh, but I'm gonna. Ooh. Holy shortcake! Oh, that's me. This is amazing. I finally cracked them. Artificial nuts. This must be shared with the world! Holy shortcake! Oh, fuck me! It's amazing. It's the perfect gingerbread. It's just got such great potential. Oh, but this does feel really crummy. I'm willing to take the risk with this one. This needs to be shared with the world. Oh no. No. Oh, this can't be happening to me. Oh, sugar boxes, to me. To me. This can't be happening to me. Oh. We would have gone so far. This show is over! No! This show is over! Oh, God! It's over! It's so over! I'm getting cupcakes! Oh, God!
Once upon a time, there was a baker with red hair, a gingerbread maker. Oh, sorry. Wrong baker. I tend to grumble under pressure. Yes. This baker was an excellent role model. Real upper crust of his kind, real creme de la creme. Yet, despite his best attempts to spread sweetness throughout the world, his competition was just too stiff. His ideas too stale. Too stale. Until this day, when he brought new life to his shop, only for it to be purloined by this thief, getting away before he was caught with his proverbial hand in the cookie jar. Yeah. Poor Jim, having the escape from his torment snatched away from him. His nut allergy, that is. Yeah. To allow this thief to get away with breaking the law, breaking the law without consequence would mean this play would be far too short. No jazz, not yet, I'm afraid. Instead, I shall animate these gingerbread, allowing our tale to continue. Yes. Animate these gingerbread, allowing our tale to continue. Let these gingerbread be raised, struck by lightning, and reanimated. Guys, I thought that was like the whole. That's the cue. That's the cue. You then go, you do it. I do the whole thing. Guys, you guys should know this. You should know this by now. You've done this a lot of times. Guys, come on. Lock in. Get your head in the game. Right. I'll just use magical wizard magic then. All right. Ego, Evo, omnem sem glutea. Oh, now we can have it. It's alive! You shall be my Adam, and you my fallen angel. It has risen. Sorry for theatrics. Where was I? Of course. This shall be a doughlightful tale. Perhaps a tad half-baked, but I promise you it's warm and gooey at its core. A tale of two ovenmates separated before their time. If they were to come back together, they would fit like Battenberg segments and form the perfect baking team. Two jigsaw pieces meant to be. What's to happen? We'll just have to wait and see. Who's to say? Surely not me. I gotta go. I need to pee. Ooh, 5 years later.
I've told you already, Oulade. It is domain. I could hardly ask him to.
He's gambling with your future. He's taking such a risk. He can't even put down the chocolate chips.
I mean, I will say I wish this place had a bit of central heating and insulation, but I'm starting to feel some frosting coming on.
Well, this is why you should...
Don't bye, Nan, bye.
Right, Rowan, what do we watch tonight? The Walking Bread or Baking Bad?
No, Jim.
Not even How I Baked Your Brother?
No, we've got to prepare for the
Christmas Sports Day!
And look, all the ingredients are a little bit underdone. I think we need to go to Jim.
What are we needing?
Jim.
What should we do?
Rowan?
Jim.
No, please. How about we do some boxing?
Ah, brilliant idea. I'll get the gloves. Got them. Oh, take that side, and I'll take this side. And just. I'm gonna batter you.
Don't start this, you're gonna get burnt.
Well, you're gonna get cream crackered.
Please! Stop! Hi, Nan.
Oh, hi, I'm not interrupting you, am I?
No, we're just about to do some boxing.
Interesting. Interesting now. And why?
Well, see, we were having a boxing day instead of going to the gym to prepare for the Christmas Sports Day!
Boxing Day? It's Christmas Eve.
No. So, instead of a gym day, we were going to spa.
Oh, well, good for you. Every day was a bloody gym day when he was your age. He was a right deep.
Okay, thanks for bye.
Right, okay, how does this go again? Something like, sting like a bee, float like a butterfly? Butterflies, Jim?
No. Don't make them stronger.
What, you're scared of butterflies?
It's perfectly natural.
It was not perfectly. Jim never recovered socially. However, later that very night, Jim and Rowan got baking a flan. Right, come on, sugar first.
Sugar.
No sugar. Harry, where did the budget go?
Sketch.
Right.
Ah.
Sit here.
Oh, right, yeah.
Ow! Oh, down boy. Okay.
It's in there.
Oh, I know. Right, okay.
There she flies.
Sugar. Oh, right.
All right. You're going to have to keep that up. You got like a lighter?
Stay here, on to my little friends. Let's make this sugar. Don't call me that.
No fire in the barn.
Right. Now, flan ingredients.
Bad ingredients.
Flan ingredients. Come on!
Oh, no. Ha! I'm ready, I'm open. You ever seen your dog, kid?
Not to spoil the Christmas Sports Day!
Christmas Sports Day!
Jim and Rowan did not win any throwing events. However, they did put the flan in the oven and went straight.
It's alright. Come on, still better than Harry Tiny. Beep, beep. Oh, yeah, sorry. Boop. Beep, boop.
Okay. Oh, I'm taking this bad boy. Okay, let's go.
Don't leave the oven on overnight.
Robin?
Brad. Why are you in a boat?
It's a steamboat, obviously.
No, it's not. What's she called then?
Well, I'm not fully set on it yet. Should we float some ideas?
I'd rather not.
I'm not harbouring a whole yacht of ideas myself.
Unsinkable.
Well,
The
don't-
second.
No, don't remind me, please.
Oh boy, hurry up!
I won't give in to peer pressure.
Lucille.
That's partly how Unsinkable sank.
Alright. Floating McBoatface. Copyrighted. Boatface. Let's go with shit-faced.
Well, that was another contributing factor.
Okay. Frank Ocean.
Oh, yes, I love it. What colour should we paint it?
Pink and white.
Oh, it'll be my aquatic white Ferrari.
Yacht speed.
Oh, pass me the butter. Flora! Are you a fucking nutter?
I know. Throw me back to the gutter. Only the best for you.
Robin Dinata.
Wow, look at that butterfly! What's that guy? What's that guy? Alright. This will be perfect for our evil scheme.
To achieve our dream.
Oh, bakery domination!
To be the town sensation.
Oh, with this butter we will slide on through.
Much better than we would with glue.
Yes, and any luck, straight through the cat flap door.
Not needing to duck to the pretzel's floor.
In will creep.
While they sleep.
Oh, see where dessert.
Cross them
I'll
hell.
never see it coming.
Mm-mm-mm.
Yeah, please don't start humming.
What if we get caught?
What a devilish thought.
Are we to run?
No need. I will hit them with my nut gun. Oh, yeah.
Your nuts gun.
Yeah, I see the problem.
Let's not take that.
Yeah, my nut gun should stay here. It's too big.
When should we commence this plan?
Tonight, after they've finished their flan.
I'm gonna take your boat.
It's a steamboat! I've told you.
Later, that very, very same Jim and Rowan slept tight. Their dreamed fancies in their mind. Those dreaming butterflies are giving Jim quite a bit of plight. It's a shame that he's asleep even a peep. I wouldn't think he slept so deep. He must have counted his sheep. Whilst they did it. Oh, is that the time? No rhymes for me anymore.
Isn't this stealing?
No, Robin.
Isn't that the same thing?
Robin.
I'm stealing.
No, Robin, it's not stealing. It's not Robin either. Robin. It's friendly. It's friendly competition, okay?
market forces will adjust, allowing us to switch over from our previous monopolistic baking competition to our preferential duopolistic baking market structure, allowing us to increase our prices, retaining demand without the risk of engaging in a price war. Should customers no longer trust Titanic treats and wish to switch over to patronising our bakery, hopefully. Should we...
Much better. We should slide straight on in.
Much better? Might you say much butter? Oh no, not enough butter. Pass it through the letterbox.
I don't think having any more butter is going to help. The mixing bowl already looks pretty thoroughly greased. Perhaps you should have eaten all that bread.
What?
Bread, Brad.
Well, surely this isn't necessary.
Who's Shirley?
Guys, thank you. What do you think you're playing at? Baking into my bakery at this hour?
Yeah, I needed my beauty sleep. I'm aching after the gym.
Jim, what have you done to poor Rowan? Robin?
No, I was just...
Where's Robin?
Oh, when do I get to meet her?
Oh, I'm not risking Robin running rampant with rival baking scum!
So? So why are you here? Any good reason? Reason?
Raisin?
Reason!
I just wanted to catch up. Do you mind?
If you want to catch up, you can do it later. But right now, we're resting up for the Christmas Sports Day! If you want to catch up, we'll do it there, then. We'll do it then.
Absolutely, yeah, there, then, yeah. Yeah. Now, can you help? Yeah, that's it.
I feel sorry for him, just help him. He's put on weight.
Hence the butter. That was, you okay?
Yes.
Look,
You want to know?
No.
You do.
I do.
Cough. We used to get on, well, really well. It was like I thought he was the only one who understood me, understood how much baking meant to me. It was a hot day. The sort of pounding, melting, broiling. It beat down the sun in waves that built up and up the longer you stayed out, wallowing and fattening in an undulating, indulgent fashion. It was a heat that made you irrational, emotional, animal. It's not as if it were any easier inside. Inside the air, baked and clammed, it felt thick to breathe in, suffocating. Even if I could have stayed home, I wouldn't have.
We separated, started again, separately. The corner, different sides of the market. There was no bad feelings between us. We had different ideas, different tastes. He preferred more savoury dishes. His forte. Been going on a while. Not a while, a bit, a year. No, so I'm trying to quit. A bit, a year. We talked, we had our specialties, we didn't step on each other's toes. We got along. It worked better that way.
It did.
I couldn't just take days off then. I'd only just started. Only just made face. A respite might have undone that. So I started down toward my shop. Around me, the world seemed to come to life. Distinct smells pierced my perception. Use your imagination. The creeping musk of an old hatchery. The alcoholic sanitized bite of a barbershop quartet. The sharp tang of a tannery.
Why was that in the centre of town again?
But then I noticed a familiar scent caught in my throat. A saccharine, honeyed confection. It was a lawyer. Unmistakable. I thought I'd imagined it at first. Some trick of a mind, daily occupied, beset by candied fondant, but it remained. His eye got closer and closer. What was it?
You're selling bonbons!
He was selling bonbons.
Bonbons?
Bonbons!
Bonbons! It was bonbons! He was selling them, but he was expected to sell Savoury goods. Betrayal! 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 Bonbons!
So, it seems like you two got a little bit heated.
He put the tray in betrayal. And it was a baking tray!
It's okay, Jim. That's not what really this is all about, is it?
No, it's not really that. I mean, it was terribly annoying. Kind of ruined the whole cornering different sides of the market thing. Removing our monopolies and creating duopolies. It's just that, well, there was never any real acknowledgement of it. And I'm not just talking about me, I think we both would have benefited from the catharsis of an apology. Just say sorry. Instead, it became a thing between us that festered, and upon it built more and more petty jabs and nabs until, we stopped talking. Before you were baked, risen. And he started sniping at me at my business. I think he didn't like that we both baked just separately. I hear things about him, you know, and Robin. You know that's the only way I know she's alive. And I wouldn't be opposed to baking together again. It's just that it's on him. He should know that.
I think you should talk to him.
No. No. We should get some sleep.
Yeah.
I'm taking the butter.
extra encounter.
Well, what's that supposed to mean?
It's just, why can't I meet them?
What?
Why can't I meet them? It's just, they're the only other people in town half interested in baking, and we aren't friends with them. All you've told me is you baked together, and then you didn't. Full stop. I mean, there must be a reason. At least a reason why we want them out of the game. And don't give me some half-baked for the proteins excuse.
I swear, man. It's for the dough. It's for the bread.
Brad!
We're making crumbs compared to what we could.
You don't want to tell me!
Look, it's just...
Whatever.
Robin! Robin!
Brad, and butter? What on earth?
Elaide, I know it's been a while, and...
Oh, that's marmalade. On toast to you.
Well, it's just that
Well, go on then.
I wanted to talk. Well, it's Robin.
What's wrong with Robin?
Well, she asked about Jim.
Well, it's well within her
And
rights.
Toos. Your son, you should know that.
It's well within her rights.
Well, go on. What are you suggesting?
Well, you can't keep them apart forever. Sure, it was fine when they were younger and she was learning about, baking and you and, well, life, I suppose, but she has the right to make up her own mind.
No. No.
Well, she'll find out.
No! What? What? No. Oh, come on, don't look at me like that. I'm not trying to keep Robin in some jar, some gingerbread house. Well, I like having her around, and I want her to meet them. Well, just like I want her to meet Dr. Jekyll, the Prime Minister, King Jeff for that matter. Even if to give him what for about stuffing those ruddy taxes. Look, it's not permanent. It's not, and I would be fine, just baking. I don't even know if there's a word for it. The making of savoury pastries. Well, ideas, no? Bradding. Okay, bradding then. And for as much as I love bradding, look, I'm scared that if she met them, well, she'd want to bake with them instead. And they always were better than me, but I'm not saying it lightly. It's what I do, I'm good at it. It's what I do. And, well, it's my life because I'm not bred from the team or bred from down the local fromagerie, je ne sais quoi, quelquefois. Look, I am this life, me and Robin, this silly little bakery, Olympies, and this competition between Titanic treats. I don't know what I'd be without it. Certainly not Brad the baker, or I think it's too late for boy band Brad. No, this is the one direction I have left. No. Look, no, I know. The one person I want to talk to you about it, that's the one person I can't talk to you about it. Good night.
Robin. Eh?
Can we be friends again?
Yes, we can.
Brad!
I'm sorry about last night. I don't know what to say.
I think you know exactly what you need to say.
No, I don't. I'm sorry.
I'm tired, Brad.
It's only 8 o'clock.
This, Brad, this is exactly what I'm tired of. A new day is not a reset. Merry Christmas, by the way. I'm tired, Brad, and it's not the late night or my troubled dreams of big, white-bearded, red-clad men breaking in. Whatever you've got stored up in there, I need to...
Merry Christmas, Robin.
You don't need tickets for the Christmas sports day.
Well...
Christmas sports
Look, they'll be there.
They will?
Yes, and you can talk to them, so long as we win.
Picture can we be friends again? Sayonara, Frank Ocean, Sank Ocean, more like. Gain some self-control. Suppressing his grumbling, Brad wants back support. Thank goodness for that mixing. A day of intense sport with years of baking. He's going to need all the help he can get. It's a shame this support, though, was built on flaky foundations, not having told Robin why he's so nervous to introduce them. Can he gloss over this with impunity? Well, we'll have to see. This is Christmas. The games are off! Starting with a daring entry of tic-tac-toe. Now, rinsing of the sweat here. This is great. It's absolutely everything. But hurry it up. And wow! That's a win for neither team. What a surprise. And they move on the jump rope now. And the Christmas sports day really should have done some morphing into football jump rope. The 50-foot of the sun has been stretched. Definitively in here. They're still giving it the best they can with time. Look at them sliding and jumping down, and the life depends on it. Let's go. Oh, there goes Brad. Ouch, that looks like it hurt. Red card. Let's see that again. And that's a red game. That's disgusting, that is. It is like Brad is out of the competition. Next up, we have the dance-off. Jim, Robin, square up. Let's get this started. Guys, come on. Again.
Sorry.
Oh, you people ain't needed for that one. Get out of there, Jim. The last game of our Christmas Sports Day, which comes from a competition-winning level of points, is a 3-legged race. And it seems like both bakeries are out of the running for it.
You should have done a leg day.
Can you compete?
Oh my God, the Jim!
Pause! You pause. I'm not having any more of that, alright? You two, you can keep going.
I don't think so.
If neither us or Titanic trees competes, then some other team will win.
There are no...
Hey! Other teams competing as well.
Oh, fuck, you're right.
I want a bakery to win.
Well, I do too. Go, Jim. Win it. Win it for us. Us. Could you please...
Unpause.
Do you want to run the race together?
Of course.
This is shocking! Hey! bakers above all. A bakery is one. But which bakery is the question? A representative from both face heart, like Montague and Capulet. They came together and raced side by side. However, one baker seems like he wasn't doing too well. Having put his fears aside, seems his deepest fears now have come to bear.
Hey, Brad.
Hey, well done. I'm really proud.
Why are you over here all by yourself?
I didn't want to butt in.
You wouldn't. Why didn't you want me to talk to them? It's all right.
I was scared. I'm scared, quite frankly, that to lose all this and to give it up, and I don't mean the baking. Our friendship as well. I couldn't lose that. It's just too much for me.
Why would we stop being friends? Why would we stop baking together?
I know.
Why would you ever
I
even
know!
think that?
I know! It's just, look, I know it's crazy. Well, it was some paranoia at first, but then going on life seemed crazy. I'd have seemed crazy. And look, you're a grown gingerbread, fine, and I'm an old fool to think that just because you've grown up, you'll forget about me and Olympies. No, look, I was scared that you'd resent me. Scared that you'd prefer their baking. Scared that you'd resent me for not keeping you apart from your brother from another, well, from the same oven. But, oh, it's just, I'm sorry. There was no good reason to keep you apart, and as time compounded, it just all, I just couldn't do it, and I'm sorry.
Come.
No, slowly.
Hi, Brad.
Congrats on the win.
Yeah. Anyway, so Robin wants to come over and do some artisanal baking at mine. And you should come too. I couldn't possibly. No, I could. I insist.
Okay. And so, wait.
I wouldn't get your hopes up. It's been some time, Jim.
No. It's our first batch. It's going to be just like the old days. You're such a great soup. Let's give it a try. Oh!
Well, that happened. Though their first batch ended up sodden, this actually laid the groundwork for a thriving business enterprise. Reaching out to private schools and men's rotary clubs across the country, together they made a new venture. Soggy Biscuit Co. The greatest potential. Mwah! Mwah! Mwah!